ecosystem. Hello kids, I'm Sarah. Welcome to the world of plants and animals. Come and join me as we travel to the different places where plants and animals live. Let's go! Plants and animals live in different places. It can be in water, on land, and even on trees. Have you ever wondered why some plants and animals live in cold places? How about in warm places? But before we answer that, let's define habitat. A habitat is the place where plants and animals live. Every habitat is different. Each habitat must provide food, shelter, and other needs of animals and plants. First, let's visit land habitats. Forest, grassland, desert, and tundra are examples of land habitats. A forest habitat is dominated by big trees of different species and abundant rainfall. Some animals that live here are bats, monkeys, snakes, squirrels, birds, lizards, frogs, chameleons, earthworms, and beetles. Some plants that can be found here are African walnut, mahogany, teak, oil palm, mosses, lichens, liverwort, fungi, and mistletoe. Our next destination is the desert. Deserts are habitats with extreme temperature. Only a few plants and animals can adapt to deserts. Some of these are eucass, ocotillo, turpentine bush, prickly pears, and animals like coyote, camel, damagazelle, and deer. Grassland habitats can be found all over the world. Grasslands, wide expanses of land, are filled with low-growing plants such as grasses and wildflowers. Animals and plants that live on grasslands are elephants, lions, zebras, giraffe, bison, and rhinoceros. Aside from forests, deserts, and grasslands, we have tundra. Tundra is a habitat with very low temperature and long winters. Plants that grow in here develop shallow roots and grow by group. Some examples of animals that live on tundra are polar bears, Arctic foxes, Arctic hares, wolves, lynx, and caribous. Let's move on to water habitats. Water habitats are grouped into freshwater habitat and saltwater habitat. Freshwater habitats are rivers, lakes, ponds, swamps, and marshes. Some of the animals that live there are snails, worms, turtles, frogs, and many types of insects. Common plants that can be found there are algae, cattails, water lilies, and aspen and willow trees. The second type of water habitat is saltwater habitats such as oceans and seas. Animals such as seahorses, clownfish, and sea turtles live in oceans and seas, together with plants such as algae, seaweeds, and kelp. That's all about habitats. See you soon!